And I say aim really, really high. Aim extremely high. Allah has put us in an incredible opportunity in the United States. So many Muslim youth around the world don't have this opportunity that we have here in the United States. I'm talking about what we can do for our deen, and what we can accomplish even in terms of dunya, and how we can use the dunya to do more for our deen. If we're a people of vision. Everybody else that's going to school and going to college is thinking about where they're going to get a job, how much money they're going to save, where they're going to get their first apartment, what their first car is going to be, when are they going to get married. Those are the thoughts of everybody else, because that's the highest they can think. They can't think past that. They don't know there's anything beyond that. But the Muslim youth, the one that has vision, the one that has purpose, says, you know, I am going to graduate, and yes, I will get a job, and I will get a place, and I will get a car, and I will get married, and all of that. But you know what? I have bigger purpose. I'm going to use my career to do something huge. I have this idea that I think will really benefit the ummah. I have this idea that will really further the message of Islam. I have this idea that will really benefit society, people in general. And I'm going to run with that idea. I'm going to do something towards that. And I'm going to use my education and my inspiration from deen and combine those two things, and here's how I'm going to accomplish it. Here's my 5-year plan. Here's what I see myself doing in 10 years. Here's what I see myself doing in 15 years. Goals for yourself. Targets for yourself. You have to set those. You can't just wing it. It doesn't work. Then we don't accomplish anything. You know, the famous Arabic piece of poetry I teach every year at my campus to the students, one of the first things I teach them is وَمَنْ يَتَهَيَّبْ صُعُودَ الْجِبَالِ يَعِشَبَةَ الدَّهْرِ بَيْنَ الْحُفَرِ. Whoever fears climbing the mountain stays forever in the ditch. Aim high.
Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah. If you enjoyed this video, please do share it with friends and family.